Hi everyone, it's Gail, and I'm here with a little flip through of my Nutcracker journal. It's all complete and will be going on my Etsy sometime this Thanksgiving weekend. So I just wanted to flip through quickly and show you it all put together. This is the little letter from a journal maker. And this little envelope is full of some of the bits and pieces left from the gorgeous Nutcracker digital by Joey Card Maker on Etsy. So I will have the link to Joey's Etsy shop on this video as well. Okay, let's just open it up. As you know, it is a 3 signature upholstery covered cover. We've got it all tied up here with some really pretty brown seam binding. So let's just flip through quickly. We made most of this together, so I won't take too much of your time, but I just wanted to remind you and probably have a few extra things here and there. So the beautiful kit, the Nutcracker by Joey. This is some paper by Vintage, Triple V Vintage, Veronica over there. So just lots of pockets, lots of fun that goes with Joey's kit. Lots of lace on the edges. I added some kind of cool, they're almost like military cards, but I don't know. I just thought they went with the Nutcracker nicely. Okay, and in the middle of each signature, there are some Christmas charms in each. This beautiful tags from MK Maz on Etsy. So yeah, this is a big old one. Put in a big, huge journaling card there. And then a little tag in the sack tuck spot. This is some fun silvery lace. We've got a vintage envelope from 1945 in here, along with a playing card and a tag. The next signature, we've got one of these fun little double pocket envelopes. This is a little piece of vintage card there. So this too from Triple V Vintage. This lace, my favorite lace, is from Journey of Crafting. Got die cuts on the pages. Got colored dyed paper to match the kit. I apologize, I can't remember which Etsy this one is from, this page. Another little magnetic pocket there. And some of the beautiful pink and purple from the kit. I just love all that together. Here are, let's see, we've got a snowflake and a Christmas tree on this signature. And yet again, some of the beautiful, beautiful pinks and purples. I added an embossed card to the back of that one. We've got a index card. Once again, that dyeing was done by Veronica at Triple V Vintage. And then the last signature, more goodies from Veronica. And this one has more of the pinks. One of the mosaic collage pockets and a little tag that I made. This one has a reindeer and a snowflake on this, so there's 6 charms in all that hang down from the bottom. Another one of those dyed index cards, and then one of the journaling cards from the kit. This is a wraparound pocket that has all sorts of things in it. And same here. And then I think this bag is from Triple V Vintage as well, with one of the journaling cards from the kit. And then one of the dyed index cards. And then this beautiful pocket. Can't remember. It might have been Rustic Prairie Gems, or it might have been Journal Me Crazy. I'm not sure. So that is it. I just wanted to give you a quick flip through of the whole thing and let you know that it will be in my shop, Cinnamon Tea, over the Thanksgiving weekend at some point. And so there you have it. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.